सिक्किम से एक और आत्महत्या की खबर सामने आ रही है। राज्य के नामची में एक 75 वर्षीय बुजुर्ग ने आत्महत्या कर ली है। सिक्किम में बढ़ते आत्महत्या के मामले लोगों की चिंताएं बढ़ा रही हैं। पिछले 10 दिनों में यहां आत्महत्या के 18 मामले सामने आ चुके हैं। सिक्किम से एक और आत्महत्या की खबर सामने आई है। राज्य के नामची में एक 75 वर्षीय व्यक्ति ने आत्महत्या की है। सिक्किम में बढ़ते आत्महत्या के मामलों में लोगों की चिंताएं बढ़ी हैं और पिछले 10 दिनों में यहां आत्महत्या के 18 मामले सामने आ चुके हैं। बढ़ते आत्महत्या के मामलों ने लोगों की चिंताएं बढ़ा दी हैं। नॉर्थ ईस्ट लाइव के साथ खास बातचीत में राज्य के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री जीटी ढुंगेल ने इस मामले में गहरी चिंता व्यक्त करते हुए इसके लिए मेंटल हेल्थ, पारिवारिक कलह और ड्रग्स की बढ़ती लत को जिम्मेदार ठहराया है। उन्होंने बताया कि स्वास्थ्य विभाग इसे गंभीरता से ले रही है और उन्होंने मामले में एक उच्च स्तरीय बैठक भी की है। साथ ही समाज में जागरूकता फैलाने के साथ ही मिलकर इस मामले को सुलझाने पर भी बल दिया है।
Suicide case daily by daily increasing in the Sikkim. What is the main cause, sir, for increasing the suicide cases?
Good morning to you. Actually, if you see all around, it's not only in Gangtok, all around the world, if you see, the suicide cases is on the rise. As far as Sikkim is concerned, and since you have heard and you have asked questions relating to Sikkim, basically what we have seen is because of mental illness, and you have a lot of multiple problems where people use substance abuse is there, then you have social problems are there, and because of certain factors relating to when people have examination stress is there, then they have their family problems, they have interpersonal problems, and if you go by record, because when people get involved in certain violence also, then they get stressed up, and ultimately this stress leads to suicide. And if you see other multiple factors also there, which I mentioned, but then besides this, there are numerous factors which we'll have to look into and discuss in details.
What is the department now doing on this issue?
Well, the department under the guidance and the direction of the Honorable Chief Minister P.S. Thamang has been very active. They have been carrying out a lot of awareness programs and methods have been taken up, and procedures are already on the way to curb the use of substance, and especially to curb the substance abuse. And there are other factors also wherein we have been dealing with the opiate substitution therapy also is being utilized. So maximum effort, whatever is to be done to curb this suicide cases is on. So if you see, we have treated the patients, and people are also being treated, those who have been affected because of the mental illness. And we have a lot of counselors who regularly are in touch with the affected persons and the people, those who are suffering from mental illness, to see that they overcome the causes which causes them the mental sickness that leads to suicide and other unwanted activities. So the government is quite serious on this.
So the department is serious on this?
Yes, very serious. Yes, the department is very serious. If you see, we have been conducting regular awareness programs in different sectors, and for that today also, if you see, now we are preparing to hold a meeting to discuss especially on these subjects where a lot of mental illness and related adverse effects which we can see in the society that needs to be tackled, and how we tackle and how we go about all these matters, and all these issues will be discussed at large. And then since already the government is on the job, and further we'll see that is more activated and it is done in a more efficient